Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you that how you can verify your Kraken account. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So guys, first you need to do is to open the Kraken application on your device. Once you do so, make sure that you're signed into your account first and you have created an account. So how to create an account, you can find the link of that video in the description. I already did that. You can watch that one as well. So here, you will find that start your journey, verify identity. You need to tap on that. Once you do so, here you need to enter your phone number first, the country that you're in, the country code, and then your phone number. So I will enter my phone number first here. So guys, once you enter your phone number, the next thing you need to do is to tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, they say make sure your name matches what's on your government issue ID. So you need to enter your legal name, first name, and then your last name, which is your surname. So I will enter my name and surname first. So guys, once you enter your name, all you need to do is to tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, you need to enter your date of birth, and the date of birth should also be the one that you're using on your government identity documents that you have. So it should match that one. So I will enter, all you need to do is to tap on here. From here, you can select the year of your birth and then month and the date. So guys, I already selected my date of birth, and then you need to tap on continue. From here, what is your residential address? So you can enter your residential address here. You need to enter your address, then the building, city, and postal code. So I will do that first and then I will show you. So guys, once you enter your address, the next thing you need to do is to tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, they say you need to choose your occupation. The first thing you need to choose is the industry. So I will choose education, and then you can choose any industry according to your occupation, and then tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, it will bring you here. They say source of fund. You need to show them the additional information like personal saving, pension, from where the money is coming. So I will tap on salary and then tap on continue. Purpose of account, purchase, trade in cryptocurrency. Whatever the purpose is for you, you need to select that one. I will choose this and tap on continue. Expected product use, there are some things like spot. I will just randomly select one. And here is expected deposit, how much you want to deposit, just select any random one. And then I will tap on continue. Expected withdrawals, again, I will just select a random one just for the sake of the video. Expected trades, 10 to 100, and then tap on continue. A source of wealth, you can select multiple, I guess, here. And then once you're done, you need to tap on continue. If you have any former name that you have changed, you can enter that one. I don't have it, so I will just tap on continue. No, I don't have this one as well. So they say additional info is still going on. So guys, you will come to this page and then you have to upload an ID, which is either your passport or your identity card issued by the government where you're living. So you need to take a picture of that one and upload it. So I will do that. Just tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, the first thing you need to do is to what country is your government ID from. So you need to select the country, no matter where you're living, but that should be the one that issued your ID card. So I will search for my country, and once you do so, you need to tap on continue. Here you can choose passport or national ID card. So I will tap on national ID card, and here they will need to take a picture of that one. So I will take a picture first and then I will show you. So guys, once it take a picture, the next thing you can do, you can retake the picture if you're not satisfied with it. If you do, use this photo, and then now you have to scan the backside of the card as well. So I will do that as well. So guys, once you take the picture, then use this photo. And now they say processing ID. Please wait as we process your upload. This may take a few seconds, so you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, once they process the document, they say let's make sure that it is you. So it will take a live picture, a selfie, to verify your identity. So you can use your camera. I will do that and then I will show you. So after taking a selfie, they say we will process that selfie first. It will take a bit of time, and then again it will be a bit of loading. After that, they say thank you. You successfully completed the questionnaire and can continue trading. So you need to tap on done, and you will receive a message that either your identity is verified or not in the email. So you have to wait for a few hours maybe, or a few days. After that, your account will either be verified or they will have something to say that it cannot be verified. So guys, this is all it takes to verify your Kraken account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.